Hi, this is Satan in Disguise with my next YouTube video. I know I haven't done videos in a while, but I ain't got a lot of stuff to do videos about. I have a paper towel here just in case because I don't know if I'm going to need it, but I'm doing another unboxing of this little teeny tiny alien egg. It's said to have a xenomorph hidden inside of it. I've never opened one of these. I never ever even bought one of these. So let's it might get messy, that's why I have this. And we'll see what we find, but first, let me give you a close-up. This is the egg. I don't know if you can make out any images there. It's kind of dark background. It's the egg right there, bottom. So, doesn't seem to. Let's open it. I thought it was going to be bigger than this, but I guess not. There's a seam. This is going to be a little harder than I thought it would be, opening. Here's the first layer. There. Got it open. Well, that part. Now let's see what we do here. The egg is open and you see something like this in there. Oh, and actually, with this right here, you can actually, after you find the alien pieces, you can actually build the alien. But it's in slime. Like you see right here, there's a bunch of alien pieces in here in slime. I'm that very big slime person. How am I going to open this without making a mess? Look at this out right here. Orange slime like that. I mean, what's really funny is that when I eat ribs, like when I go to Texas Roadhouse and eat ribs and stuff, I actually use 2 forks and not get any of it on my hands. Oh, here comes the slime. Not for me. Oh, okay, really? Come on now. Yeah, this is supposed to be family friendly, so, you know, this doesn't really help. Good thing it was orange and not some other color, or we might have a problem with this video. But now I gotta dig through this and get the stuff out. Let's see here. Looks like there's just a bunch of, looks like a goop of just nastiness that comes out of someone's body. Oh, man. Trying to get it set just right so you can see it. Oh, it's not working correctly. Let's move this back a little bit. There we go. Now let's try to move this stuff out of the way. And don't bother my fingers. My fingers are really messed up with cuts and scrapes and stuff all over them. I gotta dig this stuff out of here. Oh, it's like Legos. Oh, here's something right here. I don't know if you can see that, but it's a little foot. Little alien foot. More stuff here. Wait, I think there's 2 aliens in here. Or maybe, oh, I see little face huggers too. 2 aliens, and I think 1 or 2 face huggers. But we got another alien foot here. Oh man. We got that there. Get all this nasty stuff off of it. We got a little alien body. But I do enjoy Legos, but not if they keep coming like this, though. I didn't know you built them. I thought it just came with like some little, you know, morph, and that's it. Boom, it's over and done with. But nope. Another little alien body right here. Ooh, look at that. There's one of the prizes right there. Here's one of the prizes. The alien head. Oh, that looks completely wrong. But let's get that stuff off there. And it is a tell. And I might not show me putting it together, but I'm just unboxing to show you what comes in it and how you get some stuff out of it. And there's a third leg. Here's another tell, a brown one. These little black things right here. Right here in my hand, I just pulled out, is a stand. After you build them, they come with stands you can put them on. Oh man, this paper towel just ripped all to pieces. Right there, look at that. A little even has a little face hugger. Now to let you know, all of this stuff I'm pulling out comes in 1 egg. This isn't multiple eggs put together. You saw me open it, take the packaging off. Here's another stand. Here's this. If I can get it out good enough. Haha, there we go. Another face hugger. It's already closed off, so you just slip that over some other Lego person's head and it's like he's wearing a face hugger on him. Okay, then we have another leg. And last but not least, we have another alien head. Or you can call it whatever you want. Let's show the other side. There we go. I have it all over my hands. If you don't like messy things, this is not the thing for you. Now see, these are all the parts it comes with in one egg. And that is my video. Please like, subscribe, and comment if you like this video. And I don't know if you can see this, but the eyes are actually glowing on my wolf thing. I got that from Wish.com for $29.99 if you want one. We gotta wait a month to get it though. But my name is Satan in Disguise. This is my YouTube video, and like, subscribe, and comment if you liked it, and I'll see you guys in the next one. And these are the aliens when they're done. They are Lego figures. They're the face huggers.